Adding a surrealist drawing, painting, sculpture, or mixed media piece to your art portfolio is a great way to show admissions counselors your unique imagination that also says a lot about who you are. If you've never tried to make surrealist art, you may be surprised by how much you'll like it. One of the reasons you may love making surrealist piece so much is because of the freedom it gives you. You can choose any medium that you're most comfortable creating realistic art with, and give yourself time to focus on the surrealist subject matter that you'll use. Surrealism in visual arts is the practice of producing fantastic or incongruous imagery, including strange images or bizarre juxtapositions, unconsciousness as a valid reality, and dreamlike symbolic images. In your art portfolio piece, you'll want to balance a rational vision of life with the power of the unconscious and dreams. Choose subject matter that's magic and strange, unexpected, and uncanny. The idea is to disregard the unconventional. Surrealism developed in Europe when artists began depicting unnerving, illogical scenes and developed techniques to allow the unconscious mind to express itself. Its aim was to mix dream and reality into a sort of super reality. At the time, it was revolutionary and associated with political causes such as communism and anarchism. If you decide to make a surrealist piece for your art portfolio, which we strongly advise you do, you want to come up with ideas that feature the element of surprise and think of unexpected juxtapositions. You should use ordinary subjects, but their arrangement must be open to the full range of imagination. You can start by using free association, which is a process where you write or draw without censorship, selecting whatever thoughts come to your mind, no matter how bewildering, illogical, or irrelevant. You can write down a word or a series of words and then spontaneously respond with the first word that comes to mind. It may be helpful to open a book to different pages and put your finger down and work with those words. Or you can make a list of your likes and your dislikes and then free associate with those words. This will give you some ideas to start with. Choose the ones that you find most interesting and start sketching for a project from there. You can also use dream analysis, where you assign meaning to your dreams. Most importantly, your surrealist art portfolio piece must depict images or ideas that are impossible in reality. Also consider fantasy, the metaphysical, mystery, the distortion of reality with contradictory elements and bizarre random associations, where you put different elements together in unexpected ways. You can also use personal iconography and symbolism and distort figures, objects, and places. These things only need to have meaning for you. Making surrealist art is meant to liberate your imagination, so take your time and have fun. Ashcan Art offers pre-college portfolio preparation courses year-round. Learn more about our courses at ashcanart.com and see accepted art portfolio examples on Instagram at ashcan.art. And please subscribe below for more art portfolio tips.